Let's delve into the importance of achieving success in our program and specifically focus on a learning approach that has proven to be highly effective: classroom based learning. As we proceed, I want to emphasize the appeal of classroom based learning. This approach has stood the test of time and is often hailed as the best learning environment for most students. In the upcoming slides, we'll be exploring the various benefits of engaging in face to face interactions within a physical classroom setting. First, you get to engage face to face. Actively participating in class discussions and asking questions can help with your understanding. Collaborate and network. Building connections with teachers and classmates is essential for your learning journey. Teamwork really is crucial in our program, and the classroom environment provides an excellent platform for working together on group projects and sharing ideas. And many networking opportunities are created within the physical classroom. That's much more difficult to duplicate in a virtual or asynchronous environment. Hands-on experience, something very valuable. Classroom-based learning often offers practical activities, different types of experiments, and demonstrations that allow you to truly grasp complex concepts by doing and experiencing. You get to ask questions in real time. Please never hesitate to ask questions during class. It's a unique advantage of being physically present. You get instant clarification, which can significantly enhance your understanding. Body language and nonverbal cues. Let's talk about that communication. Recognizing nonverbal cues, gestures, and expressions adds a layer of depth to our interactions. That the classroom provides this opportunity to pick up on these nuances. A structured learning environment. The classroom is more structured, it's clearly laid out your activities for each day, and you're not needing to rely on following your own calendar. Your professor will also offer you reminders of upcoming assignments and due dates within that classroom environment. Immediate feedback. Quick feedback is an advantage of being in the classroom. It helps you identify your own strengths and areas for improvement right away so that you can foster a continuous learning process. Building accountability. This is a big one. The presence of your peers and your instructors in the classroom helps to build a sense of accountability. That accountability can drive your motivation to excel and help you to perform at your best. Some students don't have the motivation without that type of accountability. So please consider that when you're just determining what type of learning you're going to do in our program. We have a structured routine. Creating a structured routine is crucial for effective time management. So within the classroom, we could really help you strike a balance between your academic commitments and your personal life. Most of the time, you will find that your professors will give you classroom time to do your work. So you're not taking home nearly the amount of homework that it'll feel like if you're doing it through Zoom or watching recordings. Immersive learning. The Developmental Services Worker Program is designed to be immersive. Engaging in discussions, participating in debates, and interactive activities helps you really immerse in the subject matter. This is a really important piece for students who have limited experience in the developmental sector, as well as for our international students. Really becoming immersed in the classroom and in the culture of the college will help you as you prepare for your future employment and even out on your placements. One thing that cannot be duplicated in a virtual environment is those personal connections. Building personal connections with your instructors and your peers can lead to mentorship opportunities, and long-lasting friendships that extend way beyond the classroom. College life can be some of the best times of your life. Also, of course, you get multiple networking opportunities. Our classroom setting provides network opportunities not only amongst other students and your faculty members, but also with guest speakers that we bring into the classroom, employers from our community, parents and service providers within our community as well, often come into the classroom. And making that networking connection can be very valuable for your career. Real life interaction. Well, again, we come back to communication. Communication is a life skill, and developing these skills within the classroom setting prepares you for both personal and professional interactions. This is a really important piece as well for those where English is not your first language. Having this real life interaction can really help you to improve your English skills and therefore be able to really excel at a job interview. Another huge benefit is reduced screen time. Oh, that's a beautiful thing. We spend so much time on our screens that coming to the classroom can offer you a refreshing break from that constant digital interaction and give you a more holistic learning experience. So I hope that you really consider all of these benefits for classroom-based learning. Um, we really can help you on your educational journey. And we do recognize that every student is unique. And while classroom-based learning is often seen as optimal for most students, it really is essential to find out what works best for you and to make the most of those opportunities. Having said that, I do want our international students to remember that the IRCC does require attendance on campus in order for you to apply for your permanent residency when you are completed college. So please make sure to be in attendance because we do want to help support you if you're hoping to gain permanent residency here in Canada. Thank you.